All right. So now we're trying to find the median. Does anybody know what a median is? A median in an assorted array is the middle number. So if you have a number 135, the median is 3. It's the middle number. The same thing goes if it's 135 or it's 1, 2, I don't know, 15. I guess the middle number would be 8, right? That yeah, it would be 8. So let's go ahead and hold on. Let's go ahead and but there are times when you don't have an odd number, right? And there isn't a middle number. So what you have to do is take the two center numbers and add them up, divide by 2, and get the average. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a method. I'm going to write a method that does this. So here we go. Again, I'm going to create an extension on what? Collection. Extension, collection, where, not air, where iterator dot element is of type integer. Okay, so now we're gonna have func. Then fetch median, right? And the median is we're returning an integer, not an array of integer. We're returning an integer. So I think the first thing we need to do is create an array. We have this. I believe, let me see something. Return. And I'm going to say present numbers dot fetch median. Okay. And I need you to just say this. Let R equal self, right? Print R. Just, I'm a little bit blurry on this, but right, it's nothing. It's nothing that okay. Let's okay, R equals self, R equals self. So we already have that. And now what we're gonna say is actually I'm just gonna say it right. Array equals self, and we're gonna say I want to make sure that the count is greater than 1. Array, I don't care. Self dot count greater than 1, right? Else I return just an int. Return self 0. Or R is greater than or equal to 1. Else I return array. self dot count. What? Type as int. The heck is going on? I'm confused. Well, I have to look at to see why this is acting this way, but because this shouldn't act this way, right? Yeah. Well, regardless, okay. So now we're gonna say now we got to make sure this is sorted. Let sorted array equals array dot sorted. So now I have that. And then I want to go ahead and solve for the mid one and mid two now, right? Okay, solve for the mid one and mid two. Let's one, mid one equal to sorted array sorted array dot count divided by 2 minus 1. Right, and you know something? I'm going to go and put these braces around here so that this takes place before this takes place. And now I need to say let mid 2 equal sorted array equal sorted array dot count divided by 2. Okay, and now I'm also gonna say let's get the average. Let average equal mid 1 plus mid 2 divided by 2. Mid 1 divided by 2. Right? Mid 1 plus mid 2 divided by 2. And so now we want to find the center, right? That's what we're going to return. We're going to return the center value. That's what the median always is. So let's see. Let center value equal. And of course, I mean, make sure cast this thing double. Make sure this is a double. Okay, and then sorted array dot count modulus 2 equals 0. If this is equal to 0, then what we want is we want, if it's equal to 0, we want the average because we have two things, right, that need to be in. Otherwise, we want sorted array dot count divided by 2. Sorted array dot count divided by 2. And now I just want to put center value. What is going on? Center value. Jesus Christ. Mm. You know, I'm casting this stuff as integer when this is clearly a double. Oh boy. And then I can need to remove. So 1, 3, 10, 6 is clearly the center. But then if I do this, camera 13, then 10 is the center. All right. And yeah, yeah. On to the next.